welcome back to the Queenie Show. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Queenie. If you're a return fan member, what's up? Y'all, we back in that thing. And by the time that video and that thumbnail, you see what time it is. It's time to clean out this refrigerator, okay? We gotta check to make sure what's going on, because these kids have been out of school, y'all, for about a month. And y'all, I feel like I stay at the grocery store. I've been at the grocery store, I feel like once a week, it seems like, because everything just be gone. If you're new to the channel, make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications on so you never miss when your girl drops a video. Because it's a what? It's a vibe all the time. Period. As well, go ahead and subscribe to my personal channel, TheQuiniceshow. I'll go ahead and drop that down below. Y'all, I've been really thinking about what to call y'all, because I don't know what to call y'all. Do I call y'all the Queenies Squad, the Queenies Gang, the Queenies Shoppers? I don't know what y'all want to be called. The Queenies Vibesters? I don't know. Comment down below what y'all think, because I feel like we need to have a little name for us now that we are growing. We're on a road to 2K, period. So we definitely need to think of us as being, because we are a family. So I don't know. I want to call y'all Queenies Family. I don't know. Y'all gotta let me know, because I want to start calling y'all what we come up with for the name. So comment down below a name if you want to, what we should call the gang, because we have been on this journey together. But anyways, y'all, it's that time again. We have to go grocery shopping. These kids are eating me out of a house and home. We have to restart the house. I'm gonna show y'all what we're working with right now. So we have to clean it out and do us a grocery list. We're probably going to head to Aldi's today, because y'all, the money is not money on like that, and this is a week of not our payday week. So I'm gonna just grab what we can at this point. I believe our deep freezer is actually doing pretty good, so I'm gonna check that. What's wrong, Leggy? Okay, go put it in the refrigerator. Just put it in the refrigerator. Y'all, he's definitely having a moment today. It's definitely one of those days today with him. These kids have all drove me crazy today, so I'm just trying to get as much done as I can. But our deep freezer is full. I pretty much just got to check this stuff out too, but we're pretty good with this. We'll just clean this out too to see where we're at. But I feel like who turned off the light? Only my kids, y'all, will turn off the light. But I feel like our deep freezer is full. It's pretty much the refrigerator stuff that we need, I feel like, but I feel like we're doing pretty good. Take that out this box. But I finally got some freezer bags, y'all. This is how you know you're raised in the hood. Ground beef is in a plastic bag. But y'all, it's covered though. I have like some aluminum foil on that side. We'll be all right. We'll make it do what it do. But I do have some fish sticks and stuff. Like, I just need to get this refrigerator, because y'all, this refrigerator is empty. So I think our deep freezer, we're okay for a little bit. If y'all seen, like, I'm trying to stay away from a lot of pork. I'm trying to just stay, I mean, I still eat it. I'm not gonna say I'm just completely transferred over, but I'm trying to just eat fish and chicken and all that good stuff. So that's what we've been trying to do. And these freeze pops have been in here for forever. These can go, y'all. Like, look at this. Horrible. And we still got these French fries too. But, you know, we still got a pack of chicken. We got some waffles that are probably gonna get pitched, because this is like been in here for like forever. Look at this. 4 French toast, like, hello. And then we have some fish still, so we'll keep that. But yeah, so our deep freezer is not too bad. We have food. I didn't think we had anything. The way that my kids act like they can never find anything. So I'll probably just get a few more pizzas for us. I'm actually gonna bring this up to the top so I can see it. So we have this big old bag of chicken. Actually, I got 2 big bags of chicken. Some ground beef still. There's my other chicken. But they do need some more fast food, like, because I'm at work or whatever. So, and they still have some chicken nuggets, y'all. I mean, some frozen dinners, TV dinners. I don't think Aldi's has TV dinners. They might. I don't know. We'll have to see. But we still got our Salisbury steak. And I think that's all we have. The rest of this stuff is going to go in the garbage. I'm going to pitch all this. Okay, so our deep freezer is pretty good. We just really need to work on our refrigerator, which is good. So we're gonna do that because I feel like the legends in there having a time, y'all. Okay, hopefully he's calm now. Let's see. Okay. What's wrong? Okay, y'all, so like I said, we look like we just really need some refrigerator stuff. This is our refrigerator freezer, so we're gonna go through this too because maybe it's a time I can set y'all up. You probably can go right here. Actually, we took the alright. Okay, so this is good right now. I think, yeah, we need to use this yogurt. So I'm gonna have to use this yogurt for something good and gravy. That's all good. Sour cream. Y'all, I told you I use sour cream for every freaking thing. I swear, cheese. That's all the liquid we have left. Like, I've been, you couldn't tell me, I've been using lunch meat like crazy lately for these kids. This is the ricotta cheese, y'all, that I bought to make my lasagna, and we don't even like ricotta cheese. So that was the waste. Let's close this one and work on refrigerator right now. Who else freezes stuff at the top? Like, this is frozen. Like, I need to turn my thing down. I probably have to change my settings, probably. I think that's what I need to do. Let's change that. Y'all, this needs to come out. Look at this. Needs to be dumped. It needs to be dumped. There's like 4 pickles in here. Like, what are we doing? All right, that's done. This is frozen. Y'all, that's how I know I need to fix the settings of this because everything up there is frozen. Everything. I know it's gonna be packed today in these stores. If I decide to go today, like, it's just gonna be a motherfucking time. When my light be turning off, when I be in my refrigerator too, when I be in here too long, y'all, it turns off. Uh-oh, it's talking to us. That means I've had it open too long. Like, I don't understand this stuff. Hold on, refrigerator. I know we're almost done. Alright, we're gonna give it a second, y'all, so we can see in there, but this is what we're looking like right now. Uh-oh. But this is how we're looking right now with everything out so far. And it's like it's a bunch of stuff that we should have been threw away. Oh yeah, this is the stuff over here too that I got, but I got that crawfish out the freezer. I'm probably gonna end up making that another seafood boil for y'all because y'all, I was really craving seafood over the weekend and I really wanted some. So I might have to make one. But okay, maybe it's not gonna yell at us right now. Cheese, bell peppers. This is horrible. Who else be keeping food in here for forever? I feel like I do. And I feel like if I'm not the one that cleaned it out, this tomatoes old. I feel like if I don't clean out the refrigerator, it would not get cleaned out, y'all. They will leave this stuff in here. For real. Look at this. Like, why is it still in there? Like, let's clean it out. Can we please? Like, what is really going on? We got pizza sauces in here, lemon in here. It's just crazy. It's like, are we ever gonna clean it out? Probably not. I'm gonna bring y'all down so y'all can see. Look at this, crazy. I know I've been bought a lot of tomatoes. I done had about 2 bags of it. 2 bags. Now Legacy be wanna help. We don't really eat these. I'm not gonna buy these anymore. When we do our week shopping. A lot of tortilla stuff. I just made chicken tacos the other day. I don't even know what this is. Okay. Watch out, Legacy. Okay, y'all, that's the refrigerator now. Cleaned out how we need it to be. Now I gotta scrub everything out. Okay, so that's done. And then we'll do the freezer next. So let me get the stuff. Okay, y'all, so I pretty much just used pine salt and, hold on. Okay, so I just used pine salt, y'all, and I put like dish soap on here just to clean out the refrigerator. I don't really do too much. I know we use Clorox wipes to clean it out. But we just gonna do a little wipe up right now. Cause it's not that bad. It's really not. I normally clean it out all the time, so.
They'll come up or no?
Oh, Mom, are they on the plane right now? What are they gonna do?
I don't know. They're driving, I guess. I don't know. Up there. Right there wasn't going to do this, but y'all making a mess. Mess, Punchy. Okay.
You see what's over?
I don't have the remote. It should have been right there.
You said bring them up?
Yeah, because I waste water over here.
You pass me a live Kobe?
Refrigerator's talking again. That's one thing I don't like about these new refrigerators. They take forever. You can't even clean them out like the white ones. I wish I had a white one because the old school white ones, you can clean as much as you want with no problem. These new ones, they're too touchy-feely for me. Okay, y'all, so now I'm just cleaning it out like I said, just getting the, we got it. All right. I don't even know why the cereal's in here. Don't even know how it got in here. Lord, have kids, they say. I bet I'm not the only parent that goes through it. All right. You think since I gotta do the grocery shopping, I wouldn't have to clean it out. Yeah, no. I mean, I'm pretty sure my oldest one did it too, but I'll just do it for now. All right, we're good. What? No, you just leave it right there. All right, we're good. Okay. All right, let's put this stuff back. We're gonna put all our vegetables back. Berries. This has grapes in here, but I'm still gonna get some more fruit when I go to the store. My lemons in there. We're gonna put our yogurt that we have left in there. All right, lunch meat. Hot dogs, sausage. Y'all see we need eggs, all types of stuff. We took too long. Every time we take too long. Give me some more waters, please. Alright, I'm put my wine in here. Hopefully I'll drink it. Because it's been in here for a minute, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, let's close this.
What are you doing?
Yeah, I need water.
You want me to set them down somewhere or you want?
Yeah, just put them, give them to me.
More, that's good.
I just put all them juices in there. We don't have any more?
Yeah, I put some juices in there too.
Hey, give me the juice.
I don't like this flavor. It's not my favorite. This is too great for me. I need water.
Yeah.
Put mine in it's on.
Some people like cold water. I do, with it being scorching hot in Arizona. But I know some people in our house just like room temperature water. So just put what we have there. Put our orange juice so it can defrost. I'm gonna keep the ricotta cheese, see if I use it. If not, we'll pitch it. Okay, so that's how we're looking right now. Like I said, we have to go grocery shopping because y'all is naked. That is naked. But we get the point. All right, now we're gonna start our refrigerator defreezer, which shouldn't take us that long with all the stuff we have in here. What is this? Ground beef? Yeah. Ground beef, freeze cup. All right, this is the freezer. All cleaned out. Cause y'all, it had some. And I'm gonna label all of this because I don't even know what half of that stuff is. And I wanna know before I try to pitch it. This is ground beef. Okay, I have some freezer. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just freezer everything. Cause y'all, these freezer bears, I hate them. We have some ground beef. Yeah, we have some ground beef. I can make some with ground beef today, so I can get rid of it. Something. Take that out. Make some ground beef today. Ice cream sandwiches. We're gonna pitch those. This bread probably has mold on it. We'll pitch that. I don't even label my stuff. This is top type of chicken. I'm just gonna put chicken on it.
Oh no, it's that.
Okay. Some type of chicken, I don't know. Breakfast sandwiches, burritos. Beef party wings, I would say this is some type of chicken. And this is stew. This is chicken too. Okay, y'all, so we gotta throw all this away. This is all that we got from, all that we have from the freezer, and then that's how it's looking now. Sorry, y'all, I got sidetracked and forgot to show y'all, but we cleaned it out. We put everything back that we're gonna keep. So that's everything that we're about to do. I'm finished getting this stuff cleaned up, and then you know our next video is gonna be a shopping video, so make sure y'all ready for that. If you haven't already, make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe, and your girl will see you in the next video. Bye.